Yeah, so it's quite lovely here in the morning. Really nice and sunny over there, but where the garden is, it has a nice filtered sun. So really nice for the plants. I am blown away by these daisies and how well they do here. Blown away. The bees absolutely love them. They'll look less scraggly next year, I promise. And the tick seed is also coming in, so it's important to deadhead your plants so that they can continue to thrive. I was hoping that the hydrangea would kind of fill this area here where the tree trunk used to be. I'll see. I don't want it to come this way. I was hoping it would come that way because that's a little open area. I know it'll get much bigger. In the meantime, I might put something else there. The rutabaga is doing really nicely after being transplanted there. I'm so glad that I got a chance to do that. There's all the honeybees doing their magic on the stone crop. Really love that the boats are not here anymore and cluttering up that space, but they now clutter that up. We're going to put the fishing boat by the other dock so that it's out of the way, and we've got a tree that we can set it against as well. I'm going to see if I can buy a cover, because if I can, we can either leave it on the water or on the dock, and it's just less work to just maneuver it. So today's a little coolish. It's around 22, but the sun is staying away, so it seems to be fresher than what it actually is. I'm gonna go weed. Enjoy the day. And I also worked on this area here next to the hostas and cleaned up this little moss, which I absolutely love. It's so soft, and I love that as a ground cover. So if that was all over the septic tank here, I would be okay with that. So it is spreading, so there are patches where I'm going to pull out everything around it so that to allow it to just infiltrate the area. But as you can see, this is a weed garden. So I thought this year would be less, but I still have quite a bit. So if this takes over, I'm quite okay with that. it's coming along, but oh my goodness, ever so slowly. I'm going to show you what I did. So long as it doesn't have anything growing in between it, it'll take. So I'm just going to stay on top of the grass seed that I threw on here last year. So I didn't get anywhere near getting this done. I probably have about half done. Over here there isn't much moss. Just a little patch there, so it should go a lot faster. But that's it for me today. When I do this part here, I'll use a chair because this is hard on my back and my knee. But it's going to take me a lot longer than I thought. With the moss, it gets embedded in there, and it's really difficult to get out because you've got grass blades growing in between. Like, this is from what I did last week, and it's already filling in beautifully. So I took a lot of the grass out, as you can see on that side there. It's coming along, and oh my goodness,